In this video, we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to sort by date. So the first thing that we're going to need here is some random dates. I didn't want to put them in before because I wanted to just show you a quick way to get random dates in case that's something that you are interested in. By using the today function with just closed brackets, you can actually generate today's date. You can see it's May 11th, 2019 for me. And what we're going to actually do here is just randomize the date by subtracting a random number using the rand_between function. Rand_between, we set the bottom of the range to 0, and the top of the range can be whatever you want, just depends on how far back you want to go. I'm going to do 2000 days, which is about 6 years. So I'm now going to generate a random number somewhere between today and 6 years ago every time that I use this. So we're going to just put one for each of them, and we are going to paste by formula. So you can see we have a bunch of dates, and that's exactly what we want. Now we're going to have to copy these and then paste them as a value, because when we sort, it actually resets the formulas, and so they'll keep changing as we sort them. So that was just a little piece, an aside, I should say. So what we're going to do is select all of our data, and you can select the labels as well, or you can select the data by yourself, and you'll see what I mean when we do the sort. So we're going to go to Data, and we're going to hit the Sort button. So that was Data menu, Sort, and we're just going to select that. And it brings up this dialog window, and this is where we say whether or not our data has headers. So I haven't selected the headers. If you select it, you would want to have them select up here as well. Now we're going to decide what we want to sort by, and in this case we're going to be sorting by the date. If you haven't put in labels, you can just sort by the column. In this case it's column D that we would be sorting by. The only other piece that we need to do is to sort by either oldest to newest or newest to oldest, and so that's just an ascending or descending sort, so it's up to you which one you pick. So I'm going to do a newest to oldest, and note that I have all of the data selected. If you only have the dates selected, it will sort the dates, but the names will stay where they are. Whereas when we do it this way, everything will move around. So now we can see that we've sorted our data from the most recent to the furthest away. And that's all I wanted to show you in this video. If you're looking for more tips, tricks, or Excel hacks, let me know what you're looking to see in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day.